Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. I just bought this product called Tromma from Ikea. Alright, so we're gonna unboxing it, and this is the product info. It's only 9 ringgit, very cheap. Okay, product detail like that. Good to know. Okay, material care. Right, safety and compliance. Then assembling documents. That's it. So I'm gonna provide the URL link of this product below the video if you're interested to buy. Okay, that's it. Let's unboxing it. So this is the front. Plastic. On the side, behind. So I'm gonna tear the plastic. It's long bit manual. Is it manual? Where's English? Okay, see this one. Italiano, Espanol, Czesky, English. The croissant will, I see. Okay. And then behind, Bahasa Malaysia. Okay. 한국어. Right. Turkey. All right. Okay. All right. And last one. Slovakia. Okay. Okay. This is the behind. All right. Okay. There's hole here. Okay. Let's try. So can I turn it off? Yeah. So here there's a hole behind and front. You can see. Okay. Double A battery. It's not moving. Change the battery. New battery. It's still not moving, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna change this tomorrow. To go back to the store and gonna change. But this is my unboxing about this product called Tromma. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe the my channel, Maison Network. Yeah, and I'm gonna do a second video about DIY on how to make it more interesting with this. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.